Hi there makeup addicts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sarah, welcome. Today I am going to be unboxing my March latest in beauty box. So I told you it wouldn't be long between the last latest in beauty unboxing after my timing mishap last month. I actually think that latest in beauty box was probably my last video. I'm getting really bad at staying on time with my upload schedule. I wouldn't even really call it a schedule anymore. Anyway, let's crack into this. I ordered this probably, what's the date today? It's the 20th of March today. I think I probably ordered this on the 11th or 12th. I've had it waiting to be opened for a couple of days, so it probably took about a week to arrive, which is fine. But let's get it open and see what I ordered. As usual, I'll walk through the prices of each of these items, like if you were to actually buy them, and we'll see the value of the box again. I know that I got a Neil's thing. I've never had Neil's Yard Remedies anything, never had anything from them. I always think when I walk past the shop that it smells a bit like potpourri. So again, I think I've ordered stuff that I'm going to smell and maybe not like. That is so fragrant. That is fragrant. And do you know what? I don't even know what really this is. The website says that you can use this on your lips. It says you can use it on your brows. It says you can use it as a highlighter. So it's got a fair few uses. It is a tiny little jar. I don't understand. Oh, it's softer than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like Carmex, you know, quite hard. But it's not. Oh, I could see how you could use that for highlighter. You're really not going to see that there. No, you're not. But it does give like a little sheen, and I am already getting used to the smell. But if you do not like fragrance things, you will not like this, because that is a smell. That is a strong smell. Worth noting also that this on Neil's Yard, what are they called? Neil's Yard? On Neil's Yard Remedies' own website. They don't sell these tiny ones, but they do sell a 50ml jar. That's £40 for a 50-gram version of this. This is 15 grams, so that works out to be about £12 for this. And this was the latest in beauty, like star buy this month. So, you know, there's the value of the box right there, £12. What else have I got? Trying to avoid skincare, which I appreciate that didn't necessarily avoid, but I love a lip balm. Trying to avoid skincare, I got this Umberto. I always used to think it was Giannini, but it's not. It's Giannini, isn't it? Umberto Giannini Frizz Control Smoothing Milk. I do have lots of frizz at the minute in my hair. Oh, that smells nice. That smells like hairdressers. Lovely. So this is a Frizz Control Miracle Styling Milk. When I look online, I can find this in Boots quite easily. And in Boots they sell this sized bottle. This is 125ml. They sell this sized bottle for £7.25. It's quite a small bottle, but then they always have like 3 for 2 or whatever. But either way, at the minute, you can pick this up for £7.25. Stay there. An epic fail. Ooh, an epic fail at background colour next to this. An epic fail at avoiding skincare, but with this being one of the like star products as well, I couldn't help myself. This lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. Oh, you bugger. Are you sealed at the bottom? Oh, it's just sealed everywhere. Wait just a minute. This is full size, and I must admit I like lemon as a scent, as a smell, as a taste. Oh, I don't want to undo you because it might be a while before I can use you. Let's do it. That's pretty lemony. I once reviewed a lemon face mask, and my one piece of advice from that was if lemon's not your favourite scent, you want to steer clear of it. Oh, that's really nice. It's a really smooth consistency as well. Like really soft and silky. Ooh, that's really nice actually. So I'm glad I got that. Are you a body butter or a face butter? It says all in one. Maybe it's just for everything. Come back. And this little Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood Rescue Butter is on their own website £14.90 for 50ml. So again, not bad in terms of getting our money's worth out of our little box. What else we got? Next up we have this little tester size. This is so cute. I mean, in terms of packaging, how cute is that? Little paper packaging. Absolutely brilliant. This is 100% natural organic face moisturizer by Skin Fed. Look, trying to find this online was quite difficult. They sell it themselves, but I haven't found anywhere that sells the tiny packages. So on their own website, the 50ml bottle of this is £16. So if you tone that down to 20ml, that is £6.40 for that tiny little thing. Tiny thing. I'm not going to open this one. I'll use that one, then I'll use this one. So I also will do a video about where I'm up to with getting rid of all my skincare. I realise I'm not helping myself here, but in my journey of getting rid of my skincare and using up all of the stuff that's just in my cupboard, I've got quite a few empties actually, so stay tuned and I will update where I am on that journey. What else have I got? I should have two more things. Ah, yes! Now I have a balayage in my hair that I do not take care of. I am so bad at it. But this Clean Blonde Damage Rewind Toning Shampoo, the results on their website that they say you should get from this, I don't know whether I can quite imagine my hair going from brassy to blonde in one wash, but we'll see. But this Fudge Professional Clean Blonde Damage Rewind I thought was definitely worth a try. If it's just something that's easy to make my hair a decent colour again, that's fine. This on Look Fantastic is normally sold in a 250ml bottle, but this is only 50ml. That 250ml is £15, which makes this about £3 for a baby version of it. But it's perfect for me to try. I wouldn't want to shell out £15 on a big bottle of something that might not work or be hard to use or whatever. What else we got? Last but not least, they do on Latest in Beauty have quite a lot of accessories. Like you can generally get like an Invisibobble and bits like that, some hair grips and whatnot. You tend to be able to pick up some accessories, and I do love, how vain does this sound? I do love a mirror. I do love a mirror. Sometimes when you get a compact, the magnifying mirror that's in there is not really that magnifying. So it's like when I do my brows and things, I want like a properly magnifying mirror. Oh, look. Oh, it's got suction cups on it. I hope that this isn't dirty. Well, it's quite a dirty mirror. That's better. Or am I supposed to peel something off? I don't think I am, you know. It's pretty cheap. It feels pretty cheap. But I suppose it's quite hard to look at. 10 magnification mirror. I'm just going to look at myself. Yep, you know, it'll do the job. These, if you wanted one of these, you can get this exact thing off Amazon for about £3.20 or something it was. Or, you know, you can pick them up on eBay or on plenty of other websites for about £5. Though I must admit, the plastic feels a bit cheap. The fact that it was actually open at one side isn't great. I feel like it should have something on it that you need to peel off. But, you know, it's not the end of the world. I'm still going to use that. I'm going to put it the other way up for all of our sakes. And this is what I got. Normally there's a leaflet in here with some sort of voucher. So if anyone wants pasta evangelists, I'll pop this code in the description box so you can order yourself some pasta if you fancy it. But that's everything that I got. So these are all the items that I got. And if you add together how much these guys are worth in these size packages, that comes to £46.78. Considering this box is about £12.95 if you've got the subscription, that's not a bad deal at all. It's basically 4 times the value of the actual box is what you get inside it, so that's pretty good for me. I must admit, considering I have made the commitment to myself to just not keep buying skincare, I'm finding it hard to avoid buying skincare in this box. So I do wonder how much longer I've got left in me to keep subscribing to this box and not completely clog myself up with skincare. But we'll see. I really like the day that these arrive. I really like the process of being able to choose what you get, and I really like getting good value for my money. And that's what this is. So we'll see. There may be another one of these videos, there may be not. I always want to wait and see what's in the actual selection in that month and then make the decision whether I'm going to stick with it or not. But anyway, we'll see. That's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Small channel like me really appreciates that. And if you like my content, then I would love it if you would subscribe. It would be great to have you in the family, and we have a giveaway coming up when we hit 500 subscribers. But you've got to be subscribed to be in with a chance of winning that. I hope you're having a great time wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.